everyone, welcome to Emily's Kitchen. Today we are going to make something special. The main ingredients is lime. We are going to use lime to make 4 different drinks, a very refreshing drinks. Let's get started. The first one we are going to make is the watermelon juice with lime. Squeeze a little bit of lime juice. Add 2 pieces of lime, ice cube, and a soda drink. Our first drink is done. The second one, we are going to make the honey lime tea. Just add about a tablespoon of black tea. Add the hot water. Stir it. And honey. Our honey lime tea is done. Now I'm going to get my assistant to prepare the other 2 drinks.
Hi everybody, as promised, I'm back to Emily's kitchen. Today we are going to make the other 2 drinks, which are lime and passion fruit drink and mojito. Let's get started. I'm going to add honey to a glass of water. Next, we are going to add half of the passion fruit. Our passion fruit and lime drink is done. Now we are going to make the mojito. This is mint. This is the soda drink. This is longan. Our mojito is done. Boss, which drink would you like?
I think I would like this mojito. And you?
I'll take this passion fruit lime.
Cheers.
喂，你干嘛喝我的水？ These are the 4 lime drinks we have prepared today.
If you like my channel, please remember to subscribe to Emily's Kitchen, and I'm going to see you in the next episode. Bye bye. I really like this drink. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good. Do you want to have a try of mine?
Yeah.